last leaf. Okay, do you know what does this signify? Leaf is that is already painted by someone. Okay, that has been painted by someone. Okay, and last leaf signifies here hope. What does it signify? Hope. Hope. Okay, एक उम्मीद, एक आशा, या कह सकते हैं आखिरी जो एक कोई स्ट्रेंथ, किसी को स्ट्रेंथ देने के लिए जो एक लास्ट होप होती है, that is created by and has been given by the last leaf. Okay, so basically first we'll something know about the author of the story. Okay, author O. Henry. O. Henry was born on 1862 and died on 1910. Okay, and was an American writer. Henry was an American writer and short story author named William Sidney Porter, raised in Greensboro, North Carolina. This was the place where was he born. Okay, and Henry's rich canon of work reflect his wide range of experiences and distinctive for its witticism. Witticism is like in a what beautiful manner he just used to write. Okay, and unexpected plot twisting ending means whenever he gives a very twisting ending to his stories, means writings. Okay, and clever word play means he used a very excellent word in his writings. Is it clear to you? So this is about him, like many ironic and warm characterization he included in his story and writings. Okay. Yes, the last leaf includes a young artist who is inspired to live by the kindness of an older artist. He has included in his story, isn't it? And it is a spectacular story woven with the theme of hope, friendship, selflessness, right, and sacrifice. This story basically shows here what it reflects: friendship and what? Sacrifice and selflessness and what? Hope, as I told you. Okay, hope. So here in this story we see, just first we'll read the story and then we'll understand the difficult word of the story. Okay, and also understand the explanation of it. Is it clear to you? Right? So pay attention whenever you are facing the problem to understand the meaning of the word. If there is a very easiest word but you are not able to understand the meaning, so you will ask the meaning of those words also. Is it clear to you all? Okay. So in this story, like this is about how a person can create hope in someone's about life. Okay. So that we will understand in this. Sue and Jonesy are two characters and these two are best friends. Okay, and two young artists shared a small flat, means they were living in a small flat. That flat was on the third story, means that third floor was there on an old house, means it was situated in an old house. Jonesy fell very seriously ill in November. When she was fell ill? November, and she had pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving. Okay, means she was in a bad condition of this disease, that was pneumonia. She has been suffering from the last day of November. Just gazing out the window, means during this, means when she fell in this disease, pneumonia, she was just gazing out, means looking out. Okay, and with a full like fixed eyes. Okay, as with the fixed eyes she was looking out where? Outside from the window, and just she was lying without moving on her bed. Clear? So her friend became very worried about her because she sent for the doctor. Although he came every day, there was no change in Jonesy's condition. Means as her friend who was taking care of her every day, she was calling to doctor also, and he was also coming to check the health of her, but it was not improving a little bit. Is it clear to you all? Okay, then what happened with them. One day the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, "Is anything worrying Jonesy?" Means he just by taking aside to Sue asked about the Jonesy that there is any other problem with her. Maybe she is suffering from this disease, but this is the another problem because there is no improvement in her health and condition. That is why, because she doesn't want to make herself free from the disease. Okay. Means one day the doctor took aside her and asked about this. So no, Sue replied that there was no any problem, like just she was suffering from the disease. Okay. But why do you ask? Again she asked from doctor that why he was asking about that. Okay, why did he ask? So the doctor replied that it seems, means it was just observed by him that has made up her mind and she is not going to get well. If she doesn't want to live, medicines will not help her. Means if someone has already determined herself or himself that that one is not going to live more. Okay, so definitely no other remedy will help to that person, right? कोई भी दवाई उस पर असर नहीं करेगी because she has lost the will of living life. Clear? क्योंकि वो जीना ही नहीं चाहती है because she has left the hope of life. Is it clear to you all? Okay. Then the doctor said, okay, so tried her best to make Jonesy take an interest in things around her. Means now, so every day Sue was trying to make her interest in another things of her surrounding, okay, and to remove her attention on her disease. Like her attention will be removed from herself, then definitely she will involve in other things, and her mind will light from this disease, and then hope will create in herself for living life. Is it clear to you? Then say, but she talked about clothes, fashion, means Sue was trying all those things, like she was taking her interest in another things, like she was talking about fashion, she was talking about clothes, okay, and after that when she didn't give like she didn't observe any improvement after that, so what does she do? Like she brought her drawing board into Jonesy's room, as she was living in another room, like they both were living together, but the rooms were different. Okay, so she brought her all the material of painting because these two friends were painter. These two were painter and they were also getting their earning from the painting, right? So Sue started doing painting in Jonesy's room, okay, to attract her attention on her work and other surroundings, okay. Is it clear to you? To make her mind light from the worry, whatever she was having in her mind. So to remove her attention from those things. Is it clear? Suddenly she heard Jonesy whisper something. Whisper something means, what does mean by whisper? Say something softly. Okay, कुछ बहुत धीमी और बड़े लाइटली आवाज में बोलना. Is it clear? She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Jonesy's counting backward. Means what Jonesy was speaking? She was counting and backward. She was counting backward. Backward means come to like 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay. Is it clear to you? So she was counting backward. Like sometimes she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, then 8, then 7. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. Sue was curious to know that why she was counting in this way. So when she watched out from the window, so what does she see? She saw an old Ivy creeper. Ivy creeper was there, climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window in the strong wind outside. This type of creeper, Ivy creeper or vine creeper, you can understand. Okay, so vine creeper was there and that was half of the window. So Jonesy was observing continuously that creeper and the leaves lying on this creeper she was counting. Okay, as these creeper were falling down. Is it clear? So she was falling down and she was counting those. Like first when she count that were 11, then 10, then 9, means one by one they were falling down. जैसे जैसे पत्तियां गिर रही थी वो वैसे वैसे काउंट कर रही थी. मीन्स पहले 11 उसने देखी, then after that 10 देखी, then 9 देखी. So with this speed she was, because it was a autumn time. Okay, that Sue will also define in the next of this, like author was describing through Sue that what was happening with those. Okay, then what is it here? Sue asked. Miss Sue was surprised by watching this. Why she is counting these leaves? Okay, because she wasn't know about that, why she was counting. So 6, whispered Jonesy. Then what was the reply of Jonesy that time? 6. Means this time the Ivy creeper is having only 6 leaves on it. Is it clear? Then they are falling faster now. 3 days ago there were almost 100 of leaves. How many leaves were there? 100 of leaves. And now these were only how many left? 6 only. 6 were left only there. Okay. So there are only 5 left now. Means this was 6. When she counted 6, means it was also fell down. 1 more. Okay, so this time only remaining 5 there. So there are only 5 left now. It is autumn, said Sue. Means again Sue convinced to Jonesy that she is counting these because Jonesy was relating to the falling down of the leaf to her life. Means as leaves of the creeper are falling down, her life is going to end. Her life is going to end. Means when the last leaf of the Ivy creeper will fall down, so add with that, she will also die. Who will die? Jonesy will die. Okay. So Sue replied her that leaves will fall because it is an autumn. Autumn season पतझड़ होता है. It was definite that the leaf will fall down. Okay. So why is she relating her life to these leaves? It was a nuisance. Okay. Why it was stupidity? Nuisance means stupidity. Okay. एक मतलब जैसे अपने आप माइंड से बना लेना कुछ भी कहानी. So it was like that कि एक बेवकूफ़ी है, तुम अपनी लाइफ को एक गिरने वाली पत्तियों से कैसे रिलेट कर सकती हो? Because it is a season of that. तो वो तो नेचुरल है. Okay, but you can't imagine your life like that. So it is about the will power of someone. If you think something very strongly and with the full determination, so that also affects your life. Is it clear to you? It also gives a message that अगर आप किसी भी चीज को अपनी लाइफ से रिलेट कर लेते हैं और इतना स्ट्रॉन्गली डिटरमिन हो जाते हैं उस चीज को लेकर के, तो कहीं ना कहीं उसका असर आपकी लाइफ पर देखने को मिल ही जाता है. Is it clear to you all? Then what happened with them? Oh, that's nonsense, stupid, replied Sue. कि तुम ये क्या बिना मतलब मीनिंगलेस बात कर रही हो. Okay, but Jonesy said, the finality I have known this for the last 3 days कि मुझे बात समझ में आ चुकी है. Jonesy was replying to her that when the last leaf of the creeper will fall down, that time I will be going to die. Okay, तभी मैं मर जाऊंगी. Oh, then Jonesy didn't say anything when her say that she was just doing like talking with stupidity. Okay, like nonsense. So she also replied her that doctor is confident about you that you are going to recover from this disease. Who said these words? Who said? Sue. To whom? Jonesy. To make her to come out from this tension, as she was thinking too much about this. Okay, and relating her life to the creeper leaves. Okay. I don't want any soup. Miss, then Jonesy didn't say anything and Sue went and brought her a bowl of soup. Miss, because Jonesy was not taking anything else. Means she wasn't eating anything else. As from the last night she was suffering from that pneumonia. Okay, like temperature was high. But she didn't took anything else. Means she didn't took any soup or she didn't eat anything. Okay, I am not hungry. Now there are only 4 before it gets dark, then I will sleep forever. Means before getting dark, I wanted to see the last leaf, because when the last leaf will fall down, I will be going to sleep for forever. Is it clear? It was these were the words of Johnsy. Okay, so sat on Johnsy's bed, kissed her and said, "You are not going to die. I can't do the curtain, for I need the light. I want to finish the painting and get some money for us." Okay, please my dear, means Sue were just showing her concern and love, affection to Johnsy to remove her attention from this thought. Okay, basically, and she also make her understand to Johnsy that this time she is not going to turn off the light, okay, and do the curtain also, because she needs light to draw her painting, okay, because through this printing they are going to get their earning. Like they also need money, because this was a time for them that they also having the much need of money, okay. So I want to finish the painting that gets some money for us, and please my dear friends, she begged Johnsy, promise not to look out the window while I paint. कि इतने तक जितने टाइम तक मैं पेंट करने के लिए जा रही हूँ, she just asked her and took a promise that she is not going to look out the window, because she knows about it. If she'll look out, so definitely she'll think more about it, okay, and that will also give a bad effect on her life. Is it clear? Then what happened with her? All right, said Johnsy. She was ready and accepted her promise. Okay, finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. But it was her demand that whenever you are going to finish your painting, so I will be going to see was the last leaf that is going to fall. Okay. I am tired of waiting. I have to die. So let me go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves. Means it was her great hope this time that जैसे कि ये leaves थक चुकी हैं, मुरझा चुकी हैं और धीरे धीरे खत्म हो रही हैं. So I am also fed up with my life. Okay, I am also too tired like these leaves. So I also wanted to die peacefully. Okay, so please, I wanted to see the last leaf, because when it will die down, definitely I will die. Then try to sleep, said Sue. Now Sue convinced to her that once try to sleep in the morning, you can see the last leaf. Okay, does she convince her? Then what does she do? Means she was also much worried about it. Then what does she do? I have to paint an old miner. Okay, मुझे अपना एक old miner पेंट करना है, so I will call Verman up to the my model. Means like Verman was also another painter and was living the ground floor on their building, like that house. Okay, and he was also a guide for them, who guide them to paint. Like okay, and this person was having a dream. Verman, how can she be? Sorry, this person was having a dream was to paint a masterpiece. Okay, अभी ये एक old person है, isn't it? 60 years old painter. He is a 60 years old painter, and it was a dream of his life that he wanted to paint a masterpiece. Yet he didn't paint a masterpiece. लेकिन अभी तक उसने कोई masterpiece paint नहीं किया है. This was only the last dream of his life. Okay, but he was also guiding them. Then she went to him, visited to him, and he remained a dream. Means अभी तक जो उसका masterpiece paint करने का dream था, वो अभी इस person का dream ही है. Is it clear? So poured out her worries to Verman. Means she tells everything about the condition of Johnsy and the will of her, like she doesn't want to live more. Okay, everything, whatever doctor has told to her, and what was the expectation and hope, like the conversation between both Johnsy and Sue, everything she told to the Verman. Okay, she told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf will fall. Okay, everything. Then is she stupid? Asked Verman. Means Verman was also surprised by listen this that she is going to die and she is expecting her life to die as the last lady. Then what does he reply? That okay, again he said, how can she be so foolish? मतलब वो इतनी बेवकूफों वाली बातें कैसे कर सकती है? Okay, and refuses to eat and drink anything. And Sue was explaining that it also worried me. Sue और भी ज्यादा चिंतित हो जाती है क्योंकि लास्ट नाइट से उसको बहुत ज्यादा हाई टेम्परेचर में है, वो सफरिंग कर रही है एंड शी वाज नॉट रेडी टू ईट एनीथिंग एल्स. ओके, एंड दिस थिंग वाज मेकिंग वरीड टू Sue about her friend. Is it clear? Then he replied, I will come with you and see Johnsy. Who replied? Vernon. Vernon replied that he will be coming in the next morning, with her to watch the condition of Johnsy. Okay, they tiptoed. Tiptoed means? What does mean by tiptoed? Tiptoed. No. To walk very quietly. दबे पाँव, silent, without any noise. They are coming inside. Okay, to walk without any noise. Don't do that, right? Then Josie was sleeping, so drew the curtain together, and they went to the next room, and she peered out through the window. There was only one leaf on the creeper. So क्या करती है? She just asked the person, like who was Vernon, वो उसको विंडो के पास ले जाती है and give a look to him that there were only last leaf on the creeper, and it is the opinion of Johnsy when this will last. As you can see here, she is just showing this last leaf to Vernon and telling him that when the this last leaf will fell down from the tree, from this creeper, so Johnsy will die. Okay, means this is the expectation of, or this also affects if we strongly think about those things. Okay, so it was too much tensed or worried thing for Sue about her friend. Okay, it seemed as though the leaf would fall any minute now. और ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये लास्ट लीफ भी किसी भी समय गिर जाएगी. ओके, ये जो लास्ट लीफ अभी बची है, जस्ट लास्ट लीफ was there and it is going to fall down any time because storm was there. बहुत तेज हवा चल रही थी, speedily like a very strong wind and storm was there, so it also fell down any moment. Okay, then Vernon didn't say a word. Vernon ने कुछ नहीं कहा. He just was listening to Sue silently. Okay, then he went back to his room. After that, Johnsy woke up next morning in a feeble voice. Feeble means as she has already become weak, तो बहुत कमजोर सी जो आवाज, weak सी जो आवाज निकलती है, that is called feeble. Okay, feeble voice. She asked Sue to draw the curtain. और curtain draw करने के लिए, curtain हटाने के लिए बोलती है. Draw मतलब होता है remove from the place. Okay, draw करने के लिए बोलती है curtain को, and she was also nervous. She drew back the curtain very reluctantly. Reluctantly means hesitantly मतलब बड़े सहमे हुए और बड़े डरते हुए वो उसको हटाती है. Yes. Oh, she exclaimed as she looked at the vine creeper. Look, there, still one leaf. Means it was as it is. That the last leaf, she also see the like she was last night. That was at its place. उसने जो वर्मन को भी शो की थी, वो वहीं पर है. Isn't it? It looks quite green and healthy, and that was also looking very healthy and green. In spite of storm and fierce winds, it didn't fall. इतने storm के बाद भी, इतने strong wind के बाद भी ये बिल्कुल भी नीचे नहीं गिरी, बल्कि और ज़्यादा हेल्दी लग रही है. I heard the wind last night, said Johnsy, and I thought it would have fallen. It will surely fall today. Then I will die. Now Johnsy is exclaiming that he also heard the sound of wind. It was too strong. Okay, so she is believed about it that, what does she believe? That today it is going to fall and she is going to die. Okay. Then what happened? You won't die. Sad Sue, energetically, because now she is having hope that and with full enthusiasm, because this time it is looking at healthy and it is not going to fall down. I thought it would have fallen. What would happen to me if you die? और साथी को बोलती है कि just think about your friend, कि थोड़ा सा अपने फ्रेंड के बारे में सोचो, अगर तुम्हें कुछ हो गया तो फिर मुझे मेरा क्या होगा? I will be alone after you, right? Then Jonesy smiled weakly and closed her eyes. After every hour or so, she would look out the window and find the list still there. अब वो हर आधे और एक घंटे के बाद में विंडो से बाहर देख रही होती है, but the leaf was as it is on its place. It didn't remove from its place. Okay. So this thing, it seemed to be clinging to the creeper. अब ये चीज यहाँ पर जो है, now it is showing an hope in mind of Chauncey. अब ये लास्ट लीफ जो कि इतने लंबे टाइम के बाद भी वहीं के वहीं है, अभी तक ये वहां से रिमूव नहीं हुई है. This has given us hope to Chauncey to live. Okay. Then in the evening there was another storm, but the leaf didn't fall down. Okay. And Jonesy lay for a long time looking at the leaf. Then she called out to Sue. अब वो सू को बुलाती है and वो Jessie explained to her, I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me so lovingly and I have not cooperated with you. I have been depressed and have realized that it is a sin to want to die. Means she is exclaiming and explaining everything to her that how much bad I am. Bad means bad I am, like you lovingly taking care of me, but I was not cooperating with you and even I was not showing any will of living life, isn't it? So it is also a bad thing and a sin. एक पाप होता है if you want to die, अगर आप मरना चाहते हैं तो अपने आप को मरने की चाह रखना भी एक बहुत बड़ा पाप होता है. Is it clear to you? Okay, then in the afternoon the doctor came. After examining his patient, he told Sue, Jonesy now has the will to live. Means now she is having the hope to live.